Recording, not the photo only, recording. Position. I put in YouTube, because YouTube, when it is put in the post in YouTube, then all over the world, the people can see it, what I spoke and what kind of students here, what they are learning, how the learning is going on. Because this is the publicity world. If you are doing something, if you not like take out or did not just
Promoting.
somebody, nobody knows.
Promoting. If you're not promoting.
Yeah, not promoting. The time is coming now to promote self. Self means what I'm doing, what you are doing. You need to promote yourself. When you are learning a very good English tomorrow, you pass all, you need to promote yourself. The promoting is another thing. When I was in the Washington last year, some of my relatives told me, brother, American system is very different. Even there are so many people because we need to say that my wife is the beautiest woman in the world. We need to say like this. Because this is the system in America. They used to do that. They promote their thing is the best thing in the world. Always like that. Therefore, we don't have to be hesitant. We have to explore ourselves and say to the world that we are something and I can give some contribution to your organization. If you just tomorrow try to find work in some business-oriented or tourism-oriented organizations, companies, then you need to say, please give me a job. Not at this point. If you are always asking like that, nobody try to offer you. You can say, I can give some contribution to your company, your hotel or your travel agency. You can just offer yourself. Don't hesitate that I cannot do. I can do. That's the main point. We have to say, I can do. If you say, I cannot do, then how can they do the job? How can they just do? No. Even anywhere, they try to just apply to the visa in the United States or UK or some other country. You can say, I can do something for your country. Not I'm asking, not I'm begging anything for your country. That kind of concept we have to develop ourselves. In the point of view, I just want to tell the philosophical and learning stage and the hospitality also before I spoke about here. But first of all, why we cannot learn and why we cannot speak? There are some different words we used to say, like introversion, like inferiority complex, like shy, we can use different words. But what I used to say that in conclusion, there is one kind of fear. If you have some kind of fear, still you can speak somewhere. You can say somewhere. Just like tomorrow you go to the interview and you already made your mind map of that, or in front of the manager, I cannot speak, I cannot answer. Then automatically you cannot answer. You're already nervous. That is also one kind of fear. So conclusion I used to take that if at anywhere, if you go tomorrow, when you want to just like develop English in front of people, you want to face the people. Before doing that, you need to do the practice. My wide experience of what I am doing is anywhere in the world, anywhere in the university, when I go to speak something, then I used to do practice around 1 month. That is the thing. That it is develop your confidence and different kind of question when you are coming, you can answer all the questions from different parts. But if you have no practice, then even you are a very good speaker, even you have a very good mind, then you cannot immediately anything cannot come to your mind. Always only the practice. The pronunciation and English speaking is different in the world. You don't have to be hesitate like I cannot speak like Americans, I cannot like speak like English, UK, Australia, Singapore. That's not the position. Like Indian English is the original English. You can just speak Indian English, is okay. It is already accepted in the world. We used to say that is English, Indian English. That somebody said this is American English, the British English. American and British English, they have also very big controversy. You can see when you learn some words, you can find this is English, American English, and the British English is very different. And when you are going to just like write some books, whenever they just ask for editing, they ask us what kind of English do you want to use. The editor, the board, they just want our opinion. What kind of English? American English, British English, other English. Because you don't have to think that I am an Indian and I have a very good kind of English. No, that's not the point. Indian English is very good. English in the world it is already accepted. So tomorrow you are going to give an interview, just face to some big managers, managers' personality.
Carry on.
There is a class between two personalities. Big personalities always try to dominate the small percentage. So you have to just think that I'm not a small percentage. Percentage is a classic where when you say I am for something, I can just keep myself doing that. When anybody is going to some interview and manager look like very smart and very tall and very strong, and you find that in front of the manager, I'm very weak. Or sometimes you know what is expected all the time. If we are from the background of a very poor family is always thinking like, I'm from poor family. If somebody is coming from the government school, they think that I'm from government school. That kind of different complex is makes some kind of pillar to our life. We don't have to think like either school family or government school anywhere. Just we have to be doing and we have to practice. Who is doing more practice than get a success in their life?
Sir, you all are getting late. They have to do their further works. They have to do their further work.